Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 controller slash gamepad not working on PC. And let's get straight into the video. Now if you have Kingdom Come Deliverance installed through Steam, what you can do is make your way over to Steam. From Steam, click on the Steam in the top left and then hit Settings. Once Settings is open, you will see this, and just make your way all the way down to Controller. Now from Controller, what you want to do is you want to basically enable Steam input for generic controllers. Now once that has been turned on, you can go ahead and X out of Steam settings, and you can go ahead and hit Steam in the top left, hit exit. This will kind of like restart Steam. So that is something good to do. And then you can go ahead and open Steam back up. Now once you open Steam back up and you connect your controller again, the error code should fix. Another step or another method you guys can do is just go ahead and turn off your controller and then turn it back on. And because that always does, fix the issue as well. Sometimes it's just a simple fix like that, turning Bluetooth off and then turning it back on. And what you can also do is just restart your PC. Now, once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.